Good morning, my friends. It's Thankful Thursday. I wonder how many of you got up this morning thinking, let me at this day, or I bet I learned something about mathematics sometime today. Well, I'm glad you're here. I think all of us have fallen prey to the cutesy, somewhat deceptive mathematical problems laid out in a story form on Facebook, where the answer seems obvious, but because of the way that it's worded makes the obvious answer incorrect. Well, I'll just say this right here now. I hate those things. Now, mathematics is a different story. Real math, algebra, trigonometry. I just love mathematics, which is why it's one of the topics that's so easy for me to talk about, because mathematics is the cradle of all human creations. Without mathematics, the world as we know it wouldn't be moving like it does today. Whether you're a cook, a farmer, a doctor, an engineer, a musician, or a magician, everyone uses mathematics to make their world move and work. Mathematics helps us to order our lives because of the logic that's involved. It's required for mathematics. Helps us to maintain order and prevent chaos around us. Many of the qualities that we admire in people around us are nurtured by mathematics, such as the power of reasoning, creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, and abstract or spatial thinking, which is something that some people would say that I'm really good at. Though without mathematics, most of these wouldn't even be possible or practical. We should all encourage young people to hone their mathematical skills as soon as they can. But I want you to know that it's important to older people as well. And when I say older, I mean everybody over 20. If you're listening to this video and watching and you're 80 years old, yes, I'm talking to you. Work on your math skills. Our math skills are just like muscles. If we don't use them, they get weak and they eventually will not support our bodies in motion. If you don't exercise your brain, it gets weak and will begin to deteriorate. Now, I'm not talking about doing quadratic equations, calculating the volume in a cube. Just exercise your mind with math puzzles that you can easily find on the internet. There are games that use mathematics specifically set up to exercise your brain. One of the amazing things about mathematics is that it doesn't matter what language that someone speaks. The use of numbers is universal. Now, even though we in the United States are still using the inch standard for measurement, there's an easy calculation to convert inches to metric and vice versa. Language is not quite as simple as that. No matter where you go, 2 plus 2 is always 4. And people understand that. You don't even have to know about the Fibonacci sequence, but you can see it, even in nature, if you understand it. I know of a song that even the time signatures follow the Fibonacci sequence. It's amazing. Mathematics is incredible. It's everywhere, and we need it in just about everything we do. It's also handy to verify your paycheck. Math is not an enigma. It is pure logic. Now, I hope y'all have a fantastic day. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that you'll share it with your friends so that we can get this message out for people to exercise their minds and understand logic and reason. So tell somebody about what you learned in this video today. God willing, I'll see you tomorrow. I love y'all. Take care. Mike out.